Female vendor shot and succumbed to her injuries in West Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The female vendor who was shot by armed assailants in downtown Kingston on Monday morning has been identified as Andrea Peterkin. Peterkin, otherwise called Apple, is of Nelson Street address in downtown Kingston. Reports are that Peterkin was seated on a chair in the shopping area in the vicinity of Pink Lane in West Kingston when she was shot in the face by armed assailants on a motorcycle. The incident happened around 11:20 a.m. Another woman was reportedly shot during the incident. Initial reports are that explosions was heard in the vicinity of Apple's stall, and her body was found leaned back in a chair with a bullet wound to the face. A chilling video of the scene has been circulating on social media. The police have since commenced an investigation. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.